Hey, good morning, everyone. Welcome to Marathon Mondays with Mal. There's a lot going on this morning. This is a pre-recorded episode because I'm going to show you exactly what coaches we're going to be bringing down to the desert for the Motorcoach Country Club Marathon Week. That's happening this week. So this is going to air on Monday, and I'm going to show you kind of a teaser of what coaches I'm bringing to the desert to show you at Marathon Week at Motorcoach Country Club. That's not just for MCC. The whole desert can come and check these things out. So I'm excited to do that. But first, I'm in Coach 1420. This is one of those coaches that we have decided to show you throughout production. And this coach is really coming together. The slide room went in a couple days ago, so I'm going to show you that. Look at this beautiful backsplash. This tile is a theme. These colors is a theme that runs throughout Coach 1420. It's a very custom triple slide H3. The customers on this coach are very experienced at marathons, and so they know what they like, and this is going to be an awesome coach. Their third, I believe it's their third or fourth marathon. But anyway, the shower is just starting to come together, the whole super bath. And we got to put the slide room up in the salon. So let's go check that out, and I'll just walk on through here. Another really cool thing that we're doing in 1420 is kind of a custom appliance dream center. The customers on Coach 1420 have had in their previous coaches the appliance dream center, and I think they have fine-tuned what works and what doesn't work for them as a family. 1420 has a very custom appliance dream center. Usually you've seen the door right here moves to the side. It's kind of a hidden door with a feature. And then behind it are three appliances with storage at the very top. Usually storage, the espresso machine, the steam convection oven, and at the very bottom, it usually has that wine cooler. Take a look at this. This is something, of course, I'll show you when we are completed. But this is really, really cool. It's got the storage up here that we've seen before, but it's got a full length here, two pullouts here, and then this right here is the steam convection, and then the wine cooler at the bottom. So everything got pushed down, and I believe right here, a non-espresso machine, or I should say, not one that we usually put in the coach, is going here on a slide out. I believe that's what we're doing. So when we get completed, and also when we get the door installed, I'll be able to show you the really cool art niche, not a word I like to use, but an art niche wall that goes right there. It'll be really, really cool and custom. Okay, speaking of custom, right underneath this, the floor is beautiful in this coach. These customers have always had a really unique and beautiful floor, and this coach is taking it to the next level. They are going to have a very custom, one-of-a-kind inlay put in their floor. It's something that was custom made only for this coach and only for this customer, and it definitely draws off of that tile that I showed you in the back. That's kind of my teaser on it. I think we've shown you a little bit of it, but when it gets completed, it'll be really cool to see without everything covering it. Also, as I'm standing here in the slide out room, this was just outside on the floor. We just installed it. As you can see, the dinette is in. This is where the sofa is going to be. And of course, the two recliners over here on that curbside patio side. 1420 coming together. This is exciting. We're gonna have a couple more videos leading up to the QC department getting their chance and their hack at 1420. But that is a good look at 1420. Right now, let's go outside because I want to show you a little bit of what they're doing on 1420's exterior. So here we are in the exterior of 1420, and this is a beautiful paint job. And not only is it really custom paint job, but it's really playing off of the previous coaches that these clients have had. They've had two coaches that were fairly similar, a little bit of changes here and there, but they've added some different colors and some different texturing. So you can kind of see it on that front end there, but what we're going to be doing is a full reveal on the exterior of this coach when we get it out of the dust of the production floor. But with that slide out room, and that is the front slide out room in the salon going in this week, My man Shannon is doing his cut and buff work on it, and so that's one of the things that we've talked about many times on the show, is that Marathon has a commitment to making sure that paint is done quite well and ready for the owners to take delivery of it. And one of the things that we do is we go over it and do the cut and buff process well after the coach is painted. So as you can see, we're working on that slide out room because for the last several months, it's been down here on the floor getting installation. Now that it's been installed and into where it's supposed to be in the actual coach, we could do that cut and buff right now. So that's 1420. Now, stay with us because I'm going to go show you the two coaches that I'm bringing to Indio this week. Okay, here we are, Coach 1418. We did a video on this just this week on Marathon Mondays. Coach 1418 quad slide, very beautiful coach. This one is available, ready to go, and we're bringing it this week to the desert. That's right, at Motorcoach Country Club this week. That's going to be Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. We're going to be showing this out front, the front parking lot at Motorcoach Country Club. But I think Wednesday, Thursday, it'll be on the Marathon show lot over right there by the clubhouse. So stop by and take a look at this coach. We've got two quads coming down, plus we have a beautiful double slide H. That's Coach 1414. That's down in the desert already. But this is a coach that I'm really excited to show you. And as you can see, the slides are all in, two in the rear, two in the front, super bath, and a massive pantry that Shane and I were just talking about. Take a look at this coach with me at Motorcoach Country Club this week. Reach out to me if you want to come see it. malw@marathoncoach.com. That's MALW at marathoncoach.com. Give me an email. Let me know you're coming, or just stop by. We're going to be there all day. It's going to be fantastic. So Motorcoach Country Club this coming weekend with Coach 1418. We're ready to go. Okay, you guys, and now we're outside. It might be cold here at the Marathon Mothership, but in the desert, man, it's so nice. Speaking of nice, Coach 1341, I'm excited to show you this quad slide down in the desert. So we're gonna go inside and take a look. Oh man, this one's a nice one. And here we are, 1341 quad slide H3. This is fantastic. I'm excited for you to see this. So don't forget, stop by at Motorcoach Country Club this week because this is one of the quad slides that we're gonna have down there. Very custom, pre-owned coach with a warranty. This one is ready to go. I'm so excited about so many different features in this custom coach. I don't want to show all of them on video, but I'm going to show you a couple. So I'm going to go back here and show you that super bath. One of the things I want to do while we're standing right here is I'm going to turn on some lights. Backsplash, sconce lights, look at that. Fully dimmable too, it's one of my favorite things. The vanity lights up here and bath lights, and how about the shower accent? Indirect lighting, and then of course direct lighting in the shower. The super bath is, as you have seen me say many times on the Marathon Mondays show, the super bath is the best floor plan ever created for the quad slide Prevost H3, and Marathon is the one that did it. And there's so much about it, from this rear closet behind me, the commode right here that's almost hidden behind this shower wall, to the washer dryer that's hidden behind the commode. It's just great. And then of course you guys know this door closes off completely here, and with the push of a button it goes clear, and then with a push again it goes opaque. That liquid crystal technology really sets off the design of the rear super bath in Marathon's quad slide. Guys, I'm excited to show you both of these coaches that we've shown you on this video today, plus Coach 1414, the double slide H3. There's so many cool things going on at Motorcoach Country Club this week. Come see me, malw@marathoncoach.com. If you want to come see it privately, you can email me and I can show it to you after hours. But we're going to be out front Friday and Saturday and Sunday, probably around 10 to 4-ish, 10 to 5, I'm not even sure. But it's exciting. Come to Motorcoach Country Club on Avenue 48 in Indio, and we could show you both of these coaches and Coach 1414. Don't forget to be yourself and do good things. That's what I'm trying to do every single day. And yeah, I'm excited for it. See you in the desert.